Victoria University has conferred an honorary degree on a distinguished astrophysicist in a recent graduation ceremony. Professor W. the honorary degree of Doctor of Science for his remarkable contribution to our knowledge of galaxies and dark energy. The sentence finishes, and what we have here is Dr. W was receiving. So was receiving is still continuing to receive, which is not possible. It's just an award, just a degree. So ing is not possible here. Received the degree is fine. Had received or is received. Is received is wrong. We cannot say professor is received. That will mean somebody has received the professor, which is wrong, which is not possible. So we have two options, had received or received, which has a very clear distinguish between them. Had is used when you want to say something which started and finished in the past, or when we have two events happening in the past, one after the other. Then we use had for the first event and simple past tense for the event happening after that. For example, here we could have used had received if the sentence would have been Dr. W had received the degree for Doctor of Science when he was awarded the degree for Physics. That means he has already received the previous one when he was given the next one. So two things happening in the past. But here no two things are happening. We are only talking about one degree. So we will say he received this degree. Professor C is a distinguished astrophysicist who has dashed a crucial role in the discovery that the universe is expanding at an accelerating rate. Who has dashed a crucial role. So with the word role we generally use the word played a role. That's a collocation. Engaged comes with engaged in something. Who has participated is first form. Amuse is also first form, and with has first forms cannot come. So we'll go with has played a role, general way of writing a verb with the noun role. And then he says in his research, Professor C uses large ground-based and space-based telescopes to observe galaxy clusters. Dash are the largest structures in the universe. So some clusters which are the largest, because here we are referring to those clusters. What is used to create a question? When for time, who for human being. So here we will say for clusters, these clusters, but we don't have these clusters, so we can say which are the largest structures in the universe. He is also involved in a number of national and international committees overseeing the management of these telescopes. Dash his own research activities. He has worked to support young researchers and provide public comment on astronomy internationally. Something to start the sentence with. So what we have in capitals is two options, in addition to and with add-on. With add-on is not any connector or any way of starting. In addition to is a proper connector that we use to start a sentence. So that will be our answer. In addition to his own research means apart from the research, he is also helping people, young researchers.